Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my favorite knife, the OPINEL number 8 with a carbon steel blade. I sharpened it at a 14-degree angle using the Kazak model 100 device. I have to tell you, this is without a doubt my absolute favorite sharpening device that I've ever used with sharpening stones. The first stone I used was a CBN, and I began the process with an 80 by 63 grit. Next I used a stone with a 220 grit, then use a 400 grit sandpaper. The next one was 800 grit, and I finished with a 1200 grit stone. Series T2, and then after the stones, I used a leather strop with a polishing paste, my Polish paste. Now I'll show you the pastes I used. There were 3 pastes. The first was LUXOR red paste, which is 6.5 microns. The next was green paste, which is 3 microns. The final paste, which was orange in color, measured 0.1 microns in size, and this was the last step in the process. Was stropping on bare leather without using any paste at all. And that's the sharpening result I showed you today. That's all for now. Take care. Bye.